some kind of way. Make me wanna savor every moment slowly, slowly.
Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm so excited to let you guys know that Makeupforever is doing a giveaway with me. I'm sure you guys have read the title, so you guys all know what it's about. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the very new foundation, which is this one right here, the Matte Velvet Skin. I am so obsessed with this foundation and I can't wait for you guys to try. So one of you out there can win a full range of this foundation, but I'm not going to say any details yet. You're going to have to wait till the end to know exactly what to do to enter this contest. Because I mean, this foundation is like freaking awesome and I can't wait for that one lucky winner to win the full range of colors. Are you kidding me? Like, that's amazing, okay? So if you like this look and you want to know all about this giveaway, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so we have our lashes on, we got this sexy wing liner going on here. Now we're going to move on to my skin, and in today's video I'm going to be using all of Makeupforever skin products. So from primer to foundation, which is very exciting because I can't wait to show you guys which foundation I'm going to be using. And then to concealer to all that good stuff. So first things first, I go ahead and apply a primer. So my new obsessions right now is lots of oils. Like, I love a good hydrating oil on my skin before I do anything. So I'm sure you guys have seen this around all over Sephora. If you haven't, you're going to see this on my video. And I'm absolutely obsessed with this product. Even if I don't have any makeup on my skin, I still put a little bit of this all over. And it just keeps my skin so hydrated, so plump, so radiant, and I just love it. So I like to go ahead and just apply it right through from the pump. And then with my fingers, I'm just going to go ahead and really massage this onto my skin. Feels so cooling and hydrating, and honestly our weather has been so dry and on and off with heat and cold and rainy, and it's just not doing our skin any good. Alright, so when you first put it on, it does feel a little sticky, but that's not a bad thing because it'll keep your foundation. Once you have your foundation on, you'll see the biggest difference. It's going to keep it on all day, it's going to absorb it so much better, and you're just going to look flawless throughout the day. I mean, who doesn't want that? If you are looking for a good serum primer, give this a shot because honestly, I'm obsessed and I'm a sucker when it comes to packaging, and this packaging is so freaking cute. Ugh, I love it. Alright, so time for my foundation, and I'm so excited to show you guys and introduce you guys to the new Makeupforever foundation. This one's called the Matte Velvet Skin, and I'm so blessed to be one of the very few influencers to be able to give these new babies a try. I am so obsessed with Makeupforever, so every time they launch something new, I'm always like, oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and read a little bit more about this foundation with you guys because honestly it is my first time getting it and I don't know what to expect. So let's see what it says here, and then we're going to go ahead and try it on and really feel the foundation. Alright, so this foundation is a full coverage foundation with a non-cakey matte finish. They also have a wide range of 40 shades to suit all skin tones, which is very, very important and perfect for those with combination to oily skin. Again, I'm dry and I'm going to go ahead and try this and see how it feels on my skin. But I'm sure if you do end up using a good primer, you should be okay. So this is supposed to deliver a vibrant looking full coverage and matte for a gorgeous complexion that lasts all day. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting really excited here. Alright, so let's go ahead and apply this. Alright, so they sent me 3 different colors, so we're going to go ahead and see which one matches me because I get spray tans done all the time. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my 176 Makeupforever brush just to test out the color. So how I normally match my foundation is I just draw a little line here and I drag it down to my neck. Holy cow, my face is so It's so light compared to my neck, but I do feel like this matches my neck pretty good. Alrighty, so let's just dive right into it. So I like to apply foundation with a brush like this, where I can literally just push the product onto my skin. So I don't want to be moving around too many products out there, because you know, like, I like it to just sit right on the skin, and you need such a small amount of product to be, you know, just filling your whole face with it. Okay, so this looks like a good color, and oh my god, it's so full coverage. Like, do you guys see how much it just covered? Wow. I don't even feel like there's anything on my skin, but it's also giving me that full coverage look. This is like amazing. And such a small amount goes a long way. And this brush is actually perfect for this. So do you see how I'm just pushing the product right onto my skin? Oh my god, you guys. I seriously don't feel like there's anything on my skin. And it covers everything and anything. I have like a little scar on my cheek, and I'm shook of how much it covered. Like, this is crazy, and it literally feels like skin. Looks like skin, feels like skin. I'm honestly so impressed. This is like so cool. Because like I said, I always tend to stay away from mattifying foundations, but this one, so far so good. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the concealer area. I need a lot of help under my eyes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this baby right here. It's their Pro Sculpting palette, and this is in number 20. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this color right here to apply a little bit right under my eyes. This is gonna help diminish the look of dark circles or any other discoloration. Alright, for my concealer, I'm gonna be using this I'm gonna be using this baby right here, and this is in color R30. And I'm just gonna be just dotting it on because you need so little for this. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab the same foundation brush to blend this all out. I'm actually really shocked of how light the foundation feels. Alright, now everything's looking good, everything's looking flawless. Now we can go ahead and move on to our powder, and the powder I like to use is this Makeupforever Pro Finish, and this is in color 140. Obviously I'm going to be writing down all the shades and stuff that I use on the description down below, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab my powder brush here. This is in number 126. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over to set everything in place. I'm shocked on my skin right now, you guys. It's never looked so flawless before. And then I just like to go ahead and take it down my neck. So with the same bronzer that we used to bronze up our eyes a little, I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my face to just give it a little bit of color. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this 150 brush from Makeupforever. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply some on my forehead just to warm up my skin a little so I don't look too blah. You guys, this foundation's giving me like Facetune vibes, like super flawless, without Photoshop. Like, that's incredible. I mean, who doesn't want that? So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this a little on my nose, just a little here. Alright, so now that the skin's all done, we're going to move on to my lips to finish up this look. So I'm going to use this Artist color pencil from Makeup Forever. This one's in number 602. It's like a pretty neutral shade color. And I'm just going to go ahead and pencil in my lip. I seriously can't get over my skin right now. It looks so freaking good. And it feels so light. Like, I'm able to like move my face and smile and but the cool thing about these Artist pencils is that you can, there's no rules for this. You can use it as an eye pencil, you can use it as a eyeshadow, you can use it as a lip pencil, you can use it as a blush. So it's quite interesting. It's so smooth, it's so matte, but still like not drying or uncomfortable. I love this stuff. Alright, so now I'm going to go over this with my liquid lipstick, again from Makeup Forever. And this one's in shade 103. And I'm just going to apply it right on the center. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's just, I mean, what do I have to say about Makeup Forever? It's one of the dopest brands out there. I'm super blessed to be one of the influencers to give this new baby a try. I mean, it's not even out yet and I have it on my hands. Like, that's pretty cool. And just to give my 2 cents on these foundations, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of matte finish foundation, but this got me shook. This got me shook, okay? Like, this is insane. My skin looks flawless. Like, I'm not kidding when I say filtered. It looks face-tuned, it looks filtered, and it's not. And the other thing I like about this foundation is my skin can breathe. Okay, so my skin can breathe, I can smile, I can move around my face. Oh my gosh, like I'm shocked right now because like I said, I'm always more towards the dewy skin just because I am more dry and I don't tend to do a lot of mattifying looks or tend to play with more mattifying foundations. But this is like awesome. It is breathable, it's amazing. And another thing, this foundation is full coverage. So if you have anything on your skin that you want to hide, I have a 2nd-degree burn, like a scar right on my cheek, which is so hard to cover. I've always tried using full coverage foundations, full coverage powders, and then I start feeling very cakey and just very uncomfortable. You guys, this did a lot on my skin. Like, this covered it instantly. Can't wait for one of you guys to be able to take home a full range of colors. So yes, we are doing a giveaway, so I teamed up with Makeup Forever, and one lucky winner can win the full range of colors of this foundation. I mean, oh my god, are you kidding me? This would be awesome if you're a makeup artist and you can just toss it into your kit. But all you have to do is follow me on my Instagram page, Faux Artistry, follow me on, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow Makeup Forever CA. So I'm going to link everything down below so that you guys know the rules again. Other than that, that's about it. I'll be announcing the winner in a week from today, hopefully on my Instagram story. This giveaway is pretty dope, you guys. These foundations are $48 each, and you guys can win. One lucky winner can win it all. Alright, so I think I got everything covered here, and if I'm missing anything, I'll definitely be writing it on my description box down below. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you guys on my next video.